So in the previous video we unboxed the Arduino starter kit, and today we'll learn how to set up the Arduino IDE on your computer in order to program the Arduino from your PC. So in order to do that, you need to go to arduino.cc, which is the official Arduino website. All the links will be in the description for the unboxing of the starter kit as well as to download the software. So we need to go to arduino.cc, click on software. Now here you can see all the different available options to download. It's available for Mac OS, Linux, Windows. So we'll just click on Windows. So as you can see here, we'll just go ahead and download this.
One eternity later.
So as you can see, the download is complete. Let's go ahead and install this now. So the Arduino IDE is installed. Let's just run it. So as you can see, we have the Arduino IDE installed and running. So we'll just do install all, so all the latest updates will be installed. So as you can see, it is downloading and we have our Arduino IDE up and running.